Hey guys, me Tesla Blaine. I'm back again, and today I'm going to do something just a little bit different than I normally do. I want to talk about the top 15 different accessories that I have that I've gotten for my new 2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper. I bought this thing about 2 months ago. I got around 2,700 miles on it, and I put a lot of time, a lot of different accessories into this car. So I want to talk about the top 15. So let's get started. Okay, so to start off, I'm going to start off with numbers 15 through 11, and let's get started. Starting off at number 15, I would have to say, now, even though I have it as number 15, this could be a must-have, this could be someone's number 1, but these numbers are just my opinion on what I have, but everything I've installed I do love. But anyways, let's start off. Number 15 is going to be these mud flaps right here. I think that every Tesla should come with mud flaps. Now, some do, some don't, but all the Model 3s and Model Ys, they do not. I'm not sure about the X's and everything else, but these mud flaps right here, they fit perfectly. These mud flaps right here, they're from Tessery. They go on very easily. It's just a matter of a couple clips, and as you can see, they look great on my car. And I think that this is definitely something that you need to put on your car. Let's move on to number 14. At number 14, I would have to say it's not a must-have, but if you're going for the carbon fiber look or anything like that, you're going to want to get yourself one of these covers right here. It's from EV Base. It comes with the red lettering. I believe you can get different colors. I'm not sure. I'm trying to see if I get them to send me a set of blue lettering. But anyways, this thing just goes right on, and it looks really good, especially at night. You can see the carbon fiber look right here. And I'd have to say, it really changes the look of my Model Y. Now at number 13 from EV Base would be this front lip right here. This thing here is not that bad to install. It's actually pretty easy. You can see how it just gives it that little bit of flare out the front there. And I really, really like the way it looks. May not be for everybody, but I really like it. There we go right there. I mean, it's pretty simple. It's 3 pieces, just clips right on. Haven't had any issues with it. Moving on. All right, now for number 12, I'm going to say would have to be my ambient lighting set from Hanshow. Now these lights, you have different ones. You got some for the front, okay? They simply just go around the tub in there. Anytime you open up your front, you can see it, especially at night. I really like the ambient lighting in my car, okay? So you have it in your front, you got it in your trunk. Every time you open up the back, has that light all the way around there. Plus, it really helps you so you can see at night when you're getting in and out of your trunk, trying to find anything. It adds a lot more light back there than what you had before originally, and it looks really good. And you can use the remote control, and you can change through the colors and do whatever you want. Me personally, I like the blue, so that's why I got it, so I can keep everything blue throughout the whole theme of my car. And then also the footwell lights, you can change out those colors. You can put different shades in there, different blues, different reds, whatever, and really ties everything in, especially with my Model Y, the Juniper, how it has that ambient lighting around through the front there. It really ties in with that. So that's what I have at number 12. Let's move on. And then finally, finishing out today with number 11 is going to be the center console right here with ambient lighting. I really like the way it changes the colors. It changes the colors matching exactly whatever it is that you have on your car. It'll make that right there. This is, like I said, this is from Hanshow. You can change your parking. You just hold it down, you put it in reverse. You can do drive, you can open up your doors. It's already in sport mode because we don't have a sport mode here in the Juniper anyways, but you can do pre-charging if you're going to a supercharger and you don't actually have it in as a destination. You can go ahead and start pre-charging your batteries right there, and it's got the defrost right there, and it's got 2 extra USB-C ports, and it also puts everything into the carbon fiber here. So I really like it. It works good. I mean, it works great for charging my phones, just like the original, because you're using the same original backing for the charger and everything. You're just switching it out. Overall, no problems with it. It's been working great, and I really like it. Well, there you go. That was numbers 15 through 11 for today's video. These are the accessories that I think that most people like me anyways would want for your Tesla Model Y, your Juniper anyways. They do have these for the different flavors of cars, the older Ys, the 3s, the Highlands, the S's, the X's, the Plaids, the Cybertruck. They have accessories similar to this for all your different vehicles out there, but this one here, what I'm showing you, is specifically for the Model Y Juniper, the newest one that just came out. And guys, these are some pretty cool accessories. Now I got a lot more coming up. I got my top 10 coming up in the next couple of videos here, so make sure you stick around. If you haven't done so already, like and subscribe to this video. And also, by the way, I am giving away a free Tesla wall charger, brand new, never been used, still in the box. I have a video. Here's the link for it right there. The link will also be in the description. Check it out. And I'm giving that away on August 18th 2025. You need to make sure you follow the instructions so that way you can qualify to win that Tesla wall charger. Once again, it is from me, nobody else. It's one that I had that I'm giving away for free. So anyways, click the link down below, watch that video. Any of these items that I had in my video, if there's anything that you're interested in, the link to all those descriptions will be in the description down below. Okay, just click on them and they'll take you straight there and you can check them out. All right, guys, be safe out there, have fun, and keep driving. Check you later. Bye.